Hi there. So week 4, module 4. I actually, excuse the crazy high definition microphone and view. I just did a webinar and saw an opportunity to do a quick weekly recap for the blog post. And we talked a lot about creating content and how it maps to SEO. And this week in particular really resonated with me because in particular, I think the article that Professor Burgess shared about that Neil Patel wrote about why so many times SEO and content creation are looked at as like two different animals, and I feel like that is just so wildly wrong. Um, I love his positioning as saying no, they're actually there's overlap, they work together. Or if you wanted to look at it from like a persona perspective, it's the same persona with same person with two different personas or two different attributes to them. SEO, you can't have good SEO without great content, and you can't have great content without good SEO or great SEO. The two work perfectly together. When you're creating content, you need to be focused on what keywords are going to have the most impact. What is your message? Does it resonate to what people are searching for? If you're trying to increase organic search, what are people searching for to find you in the first place? Or what are they searching for to find your competitors? Use those keywords, find those topics, create content around that, and then flipping it around, trying to understand where from a paid search perspective, who are you trying to target? What audience do you want? So when you identify, oh wow, like for us, like we found that a lot of internal communicators are actually searching for Gen Z in the workplace. There's just a lot of confusion around what that even means. So let's create content around that so that we can drive people to provide those answers. Because for me, like what I really truly, just like what we talked about 2 weeks ago, which is the best content has impact. The best content is relatable. The best content is not saying like we have this brand that solves your problems. The best content says we know the problem you have, we know the world that you live in, we know what you desperately need, and this is how we see. These are the benefits of finding finding that other world where the world is a better place. This week we also talked about how AI generated content can be used to produce positive results. This is something that's a little foreign to me, very interesting. And I think there was that one speech about how AI can actually write better content than you, which like I blew my mind. It got me a little scared, and I can't even imagine how much content I've consumed that's probably not written by a human being. It's written by a content generation tool. And I think very similar to the discussion about SEO and content and how they work together, I think the conversation is now about, or is also about, AI generated versus human generated. And I think those two can work together. I think you can leverage the tools that are available that can quickly and easily identify what people are looking for. And then you can humanize it to add that the relevance, the specific feel to it that just shows you that yes, this is a human being. I think they need to work together, just like SEO and content creation needs to work together. I think AI and human content creation also needs to work together. So that's my review. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Have a great week.